Hi, I'm Gretchen.
And I'm Cooper.
And welcome to Snack Day 2 Graham Cracker Builders.
What you're going to need for your snack today is graham crackers, pretzel sticks, icing, and a plastic knife. What you're going to do today is give each child a plate with graham crackers and pretzels. Give each child a container of icing and a plastic knife. The kids will use the icing as mortar. Encourage the kids to use the building materials on their plate to build a house. All right, let's see these houses.
This is a house, and it has a little gate, and there's his dog, and he wouldn't stand up, so he's tired. And yeah.
Mine has a little doorway. And this part was uneven. I think it was bigger than the rest of them. So the roof is kind of like slanted up.
Awesome. Okay, so why do you think that Jesus told the story about wise and foolish builders? Was he just talking about the best way to build a house?
No.
No? You're right. Jesus was making a bigger point about what it means to follow him. When we listen to his teaching and follow what he says, we will be like a wise man who builds his house on a rock. We can stand up against anything that comes our way when we choose to follow God and focus on what he has to say to us. Remember, the bottom line is you can hear from God.